My daughter is about to start university in the UK, and she wants to pursue architecture. She was starting an internship in Nagpur for a few weeks under a renowned architect. We realized that she needs to get trained on AutoCAD for architecture. We approached CAD Sadr, and the experience was fantastic. Special mention to Swati Madam and Bhagyashri Madam. They know the subject very well. They are very supportive of the child and flexible. I think the experience was very good for my daughter, and well done to CAD Sadr. I wish you continued success with your skills and with your support that you provide to all children.